Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys liked my last video which was based on a real life example. Moving forward, today we are going to make one 3D object which is flashing on your screen. So let's start how to make it. First, select file, go to the new and click on the part option. Click OK. Because we want to make a separate 3D object, so it's necessary to select the part. Then in the design tree, first we have to choose any plane, like according to the drawing. First we select the front plane, then go to the sketch. Now here first we make L shape portion which is according to the front view. So first select the line, then create one L-shaped portion. Make one vertical line, then one horizontal. Make it horizontal. Okay. Then again vertical, horizontal, and vertical. Okay, let's define some dimension, like this portion is 16 mm, this also same. Now this lower edge is 96 mm. So our L portion is ready. Now in the same view we also forgot to define height, which is 48 plus 16. So here this height is 48. So our drawing is fully defined. See here, drawing is fully defined. Now it's time to make another line, like draw one horizontal line from here to here, then go back to the point and draw one arc, and then another horizontal line and vertical line. Then after also we want to make another line which is some angle, then OK. So our sketch is complete. Now it's time to define, so Ctrl 8. Now this portion is 8 mm, this also 8 mm. The dimension of this circle is 12 mm. Okay. Now still our drawing is underdefined, so yes, this height is given, which is 28. Still our drawing is fully defined. Now it's time to extrude our design. So exit, then select the sketch one, go to the feature and click on the extrude base boss. So in the first process, in the select contour, we have to choose this help portion, reversing direction, and give its dimension, which is 64 mm. Then OK. Okay, now we want to extrude this portion, so go to the design tree, select this sketch and select the extrude both ways. So in the design tree, here in select contour, select this portion and make it reverse. But here we have to make offset because we want our extrude part from here to here. So in the design tree, make it offset, give the dimension which is 22 mm, make it reverse. So our preview is flashing on your screen, but here we want this part till this surface. So go to the design tree, make up to the vertex and select the last point. So our object is ready. Make OK. Now it's time to extrude third part, which is this triangular shape. So similarly go to the sketch, extrude both ways and select this part, make it reverse, go to the vertex from here, make it inverse and give the dimension which is 12 mm. Okay. So according to our design, for 90% object is ready, but we want one slot here which is described in the drawing. So click on this face and go to the sketch, Ctrl 8 and draw a 2D sketch. Let's define the dimension like this horizontal line is 20 mm. The gap between these two lines is 16 mm. We did 16 and 20 mm. Now make the relation of this point and this middle point is horizontal. So our sketch is ready. Now go to the features, but here we have to select extrude cut because we want to remove this area from this whole subject. So select the extrude cut and make it through all and then OK. So see, our cut is also ready. Ctrl 8. Here Ctrl 8. Our drawing is 10 to complete. Only one fillet is remaining, which is on this page. So go to the fillet, select this edge and make it 32. And then OK. So now our drawing is completed, and now in my next video I will going to make another real life example, which is shoe. So please check my channel and I request all of you guys please watch my video. In the conclusion, friends, please subscribe my channel if you are watching my video first time, because your one click motivates me a lot. and it also gives abundance of positive vibes to make this type of video. So please support me.